Welcome to another Sharp Canane tutorial. My name is Jackie Sharp. Today we're going to look at how you can make a QR code of a web page. How would you use this? If you wanted students to go to a particular game that you wanted them to play and they can use their iPads to view the QR code. So all you have to do, it's as simple as this. Go and click in the URL bar at the top, and you'll see a couple more buttons have appeared. The middle one is create QR code for this page. Click on that, and then all you have to do is click on download, and then you can go and upload that into a Google Doc for printing out. Another example of how to use it is if you are creating books in Book Creator. Here's a book here that we might want our students to view, and we can put QR codes out there for them to view it quickly and easily. Again, all you do is click in the URL bar, click on the QR code, and click download, and then upload to your Google Doc and print out. Thank you for listening to this Sharp Canane tutorial.